Good morning, boys and girls. It is Tuesday, April 21st, and I think it's going to be a beautiful day today. Great day to get outside and play. I loved seeing you yesterday and seeing everything that you shared with your friends and me. And I loved how you answered your would you rather questions. And I have another one for you today. But first, I want to tell you that tomorrow we will meet again, our whole class, so we can see everybody. And I think I told most of you that Mrs. Beaumont would be joining us, but also I got an email from Mrs. M, and she will be joining us. So that'll be fun. Usually we just get to see her at recess when we're at recess at school or during center time or during writing time. But tomorrow we'll see her differently on the computer. So that'll be fun. Another thing I want to tell you about tomorrow, and I want you to be thinking about, we're not going to do it today, although if you want to, I guess you could, but just be thinking about it. It's Administrative Assistance Day, and that is where we honor the ladies in the front office who help keep our Oak Brook running so smoothly. And that is Mrs. Wilkie and Mrs. Schroeder and Mrs. Reed. And normally, if we were at school, we would do something as a class and take it to them. But because we're not there, we're going to have to think of a different way to tell them how much we appreciate them. So I was thinking a nice note or a picture is something that we could do. So I want you to be thinking about that. You know, if I could draw them a nice picture, write them a nice thank you note, something that you could hold up to the screen, have your mom take a picture of it, and then we'll send it to them. But I'll send an email to your parents about that. But you just be thinking of what could I do nice for those ladies, because they do really help keep our Oak Brook up and running. Our question of the day is, this is a would you rather. Would you rather eat an ice cream cone or a cupcake? And I had to think really long and hard about this one. I chose an ice cream cone. I would rather eat an ice cream cone because I love the ice cream in the bottom of the cone when I'm all done. I like those little sugar cones, those little pointy ones. So I want you to answer that, and you can draw a picture about it and write a sentence. Remember, I want you to write it. I would rather have a, and then tell me why. So you're always going to say, I would rather have a ice cream cone because, or I would rather have a cupcake because. All right. The other, and then on Schoology, and I know I'm probably getting a little carried away with the little art lessons, but I think they're fun, and you can use them if you want, or you can just ignore them and not do them at all. But there is how to draw a cupcake and how to draw an ice cream cone. So if you would like to do that to add to your drawing, that's fun too. And I'd love to see what you do. Yesterday, I did a major mistake for poor Miss Emma in her reading. I accidentally deleted her read aloud. So she's back up today reading Pete the Cat. And thank you for being such a understanding person about that, Emma. You did a great job sharing with me that yesterday during our morning meeting, and you handled it beautifully. So she's up again today. If any of the rest of you would like to do a read aloud, just have your mom email me, and I'll tell, or mom or dad, and I'll tell them how to help you do that. All right, you guys have a great day. I can't wait to see what you'd rather have, ice cream or cupcake, and be thinking about what you might write or draw a picture of for our ladies in the front office. All right, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.